Hey guys, back out in the garage. As you can see, we got the airbox modified up from the old bit. This is the part we cut off, right? Wasn't too much. Actually, surprised myself. I'm still pretty good at this, man. I eyeballed it up. Wasn't off by too much. These are the little pieces that were had to be trimmed off afterwards. Always got to cut it a little large, right? And then make sure you leave yourself enough fudge room. So hey, it's an 1/8 inch, I think, on the bottom, and a 1/4 inch on the top, other than where we had it marked out, and it went right on. Had to clean up knock these corners down a little bit to fit inside the nose, but it fits really good. There's a couple tabs that Fiesler had on the mounted on there already, so we'll use those, and we can probably get another one on the bottom just to make sure it's attached real good. We'll get rubber around the edge of everything, and that'll finish it off. Before we put the rubber on, we'll spray bomb it black, and so it looks pretty good. Let's throw this bad boy on and show you what it looks like. Oops. Just like so. Looks pretty good. Yep, worked out pretty good. So there we go. We're making progress. Hope y'all are working on those go-karts. We only got about 3 weeks from this coming weekend, so time's flying right by. I'll be ready. Are y'all going to be ready? Good luck, folks. Godspeed.